Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to set up custom email filters in Gmail for iPhone. Setting up custom email filters in Gmail requires using the desktop version of Gmail, as the Gmail app for iPhone does not support creating advanced filters. However, you can access the desktop version on your iPhone using a web browser to set these up. So let's go back to our screen, hit our browser, or Safari in my case. Go ahead and search for Gmail. I'm gonna go ahead and log in using the same account in my Gmail app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the screen icon next to the Gmail domain, bottom left, and hit the three dots at the bottom right to see more options. Hit request desktop website. Now wait for a few moments, and as you can see, you will be prompted to see the exact same screen as your desktop. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the filters next to the search icon. And now all you got to do is enter the criteria, like from, to, the subject has the words, add keywords, doesn't have this word, size greater than, the file or the email size, the date within 1 day, etc. The search all mail, inbox, sent mail, drafts, chats, spam, trash, depending really. And once you're done, hit create filter. Let me zoom in here. You can press create filter to search or to set up a custom email filters. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps. See you in the next one.